In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more safe pockets in Arc Raiders. Safe pockets are the protected slots that let you keep items secure while you're out there scavenging. If you've ever finished a run and wished you could walk away with a little more guaranteed loot, this is the setting you want to optimize. The good news is, getting more safe pockets is straightforward, and it all comes down to the augments you equip. Start by opening your inventory and heading to your loadout. Look for your augment section. Augments are modifiers that tweak your build, and for safe pockets specifically, you're going to focus on the looting type augments. These are the ones that directly influence how many safe pockets you have. When you highlight or equip an augment, keep an eye on the safe pocket indicator on your loadout screen so you can see the change immediately. If you equip the looting MKDAO2 augment, your safe pockets will increase to 2. You should see the counter update as soon as it's slotted in. This is a simple, reliable way to boost the amount of loot you can protect during a run, which makes a big difference if you're focusing on gathering materials or high-value items. There's an important trade-off to be aware of. If you equip a free loadout augment, your safe pockets drop to 0. That means none of your loot is protected if things go wrong. So, if your priority is extracting with guaranteed items, avoid free loadout while you're in that mindset. It can be useful in other scenarios, but it cancels out the benefit we're chasing here. If you want to push the limit even further, equip the Looting MK3 augment. With Looting MK3, your safe pockets increase to 3. Again, confirm the change on the loadout screen and make sure it's actually equipped before you deploy. That small check prevents headaches later. A few quick tips to wrap up. Always verify the safe pocket number after changing augments to ensure the update applied. Adjust your build around your goal for the session. If you're farming, prioritize looting augments. If you're experimenting with other builds, remember how they affect your safe pockets. And keep an eye on your progression. If you unlock higher tier looting augments, swap them in to maximize your protected slots. That's all you need to do. Open your inventory, slot the right looting augment, and watch your safe pockets increase. 2 with Looting MK2, 3 with Looting MK3, and 0 if you switch to free loadout. Simple, effective, and a real boost to consistent loot.